Let's do a quick AliExpress unpackaging with me.
So here are all the things, but today we're gonna focus on one specific packet that came with 3 matte lipsticks. There are 18 colors to choose from. Here are mine out of the packet. They came on these beautiful tones that range from pink to dark red. Okay, so we have these 3 to test. The shades are 9, 4, and 10. And let's see.
The struggle to open these is real. There, made it.
Okay. I'm really liking these colors. I have to say they are very smooth to apply. They're very soft. I like it. I think I'm gonna test out on the lips this one, number 4, the reddish one. Don't judge my makeup techniques. I know I'm not very good at this. Okay, I really like this color, but I'm kind of biased because I really like this really red colors on me. I bought this because I wanted a lipstick that would last me the whole day, that I wouldn't have to worry about drinking water, eating some food, or having to reapply a lot of times during the day. I don't know if that's the case or not. I really like the color. It does transfer a little bit, but maybe that's just because it's not dry. And yeah, I think I'm gonna use this on my day-to-day life. And if you want to know if this lasts the whole day, I'll make sure to test it out and come back here to tell you.